Smoke and strange sounds, like burning firecrackers, were the first things that the locals saw from the side of the port. But at that moment, the people who turned on the cameras could not even imagine that in seconds a powerful blast wave would practically destroy part of the Lebanese capital. At first, many took what was happening for an earthquake. Many managed to run away from the windows only at the last moment. The bride was knocked down by a blast wave, and she posed for the camera while waiting for the groom. The newlyweds fortunately remained alive. There are so many wounded that the hospitals cannot cope with the flow. Some are planned to be taken out of the capital, where there are still free places and the necessary medicines. There are not enough ambulances for everyone. Due to the serious destruction in the city, there are heavy traffic jams. It is already known that ammonium nitrate, a confiscated product stored in the port, exploded.